In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI album covers for your beats. Copy. By the end, you'll have clean, professional-looking artwork you can use for your tracks, whether you're just starting out or want a fast way to brand your releases. We'll begin with a beginner-friendly option using Canva. Head to canva.com and create a new design. Choose a square logo canvas, either 500 by 500 or a custom 1000 by 1000. A square layout keeps things simple and looks great wherever your beat is shared. Once your blank canvas opens, go to Apps and select Text to Image. This is where the magic happens. Type a clear, descriptive prompt that tells the AI exactly what you want, including style, colors, and composition. For example, minimal futuristic music producer logo, bold typography, black background, clean vector style, high contrast, centered design. Generate your results, then browse the options and pick the one that matches your brand vibe. Next, add your producer name using bold, legible fonts. Keep the text centered and high contrast so it pops, and check that it's readable even at smaller sizes. You can nudge spacing and size until the design feels balanced. When you're happy, download it as a PNG. If transparent background is available, turn that on. It gives you flexibility to place the logo over different backdrops later without any unwanted edges. Now let's create an alternative version using Leonardo AI, which offers free credits daily. Sign up at leonardo.ai and choose a logo or vector-focused model to keep results crisp. Enter a targeted prompt that leans into strong shapes and clean lines. Try modern trap producer logo, sharp edges, bold typography, vector logo, black and red, minimal, clean background, centered, high resolution. Generate your images, compare the variations, and download the best version. If the background isn't perfectly clean, you can quickly fix it. Drop the image into Canva and remove the background there, or use remove.bg for a one-click cleanup. This gives you a neat isolated logo that's easy to reuse across your cover variants, social posts, and streaming thumbnails. To wrap up, you now have two fast workflows: Canva for an all-in-one beginner path, and Leonardo AI for sharper vector-style results. Keep your prompts specific, your typography bold, and your layout centered and high contrast. Export as PNG. Use transparency when